Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing my little box for February, and I mean, how cute is this box? I just love the detail. It has even here a black cat. I mean, it's just a super cute. So this month's theme is self-connection. Can't wait to show you guys the products, and as always at the end of this video I will be rating the products, and I will tell you how much the whole box, actually the products for this month worth. So let's just dive right into it. So we get a beautiful card, and here on the back it has like a daily routine that you can follow, to feel more awake, more relaxed, more happy, and just all that self-love stuff. So the first product that I have here, it is this foot cream from Nordic Cosmetics. So this product contains CBD and camphor. So this product should relax tired and dry feet, and it is best to use after showering or bathing on damp skin. So let's see how this looks like. Oh, and it is also vegan. Now that is very nice. It comes in 45 milliliters. So let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you can open it like that by twisting. So let's do a bump here and see how it looks like. Oh, okay. Well, it smells weird, not unpleasant, but weird. So this is how it looks like. It has a white color. Just massage it to my hand. Obviously I'm not going to show you my feet right now, that would be like way too weird. It's a very rich, very thick, and it absorbs quite fast. Now this is a good product. Never had something similar from any subscription boxes before. Next we get I think this is a jewelry. So let's see it. Oh, that is super cute. Just look how beautiful that is. Really cute. Now this is going to be very nice in the summer to wear, maybe with a white t-shirt, just to show it off. Very nice. Next we have this little bag. So let's see what we have in here. There are like two products. So the first product that I have, it's a what is that? It's a face mask from Nordic Cosmetics. To be honest, I've never heard of this brand before. Let me know in the comments below if you know about them, and just how their products work for you. I really like to know more about them. So this is cruelty-free and vegan, and it comes in 50 milliliters. Next in this bag we have an eyeshadow crayon, and this is from My Little Beauty. So let's see. Ooh, wow, okay. I mean, just look how beautiful that is. Speechless. That is a beautiful color. That is so, so nice. I mean, hello. Wow, I like the metallic vibe it has. It is like a brown color, a very deep brown color, and you know, with a metallic finish. I am impressed. I like that. Okay, next we have, and I think this is like the last product that I have in this box. So this is a massage brush. So let's see this one. So it is a wooden one. I have something similar. They're very good, you know, while you're doing your shower, just to massage your body and, you know, just put your blood and everything on circulation. This stuff is really good, but very underrated. But trust me when I tell you that you have to try these brushes. They are just like brilliant to keep your blood, you know, like really going on. Okay, so these are the products. So I will give this box 5 stars out of 5. I'm really impressed this time the products that I've got from my little box, and of course I'm quite happy that this time I received it, well, not actually on time, but I mean not on the end of the month. So I think it is a progress. We do have to work a little bit more with the timing, but it wasn't bad. Now the worth of the products you will see here on your screen. I cannot tell you right now how much these products were because they don't give you more information, so I will have to check that online. And yeah, so this is for today's video. Leave me a comment below and tell me which of the products you liked the most, and if you ever tried my little box subscription. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!